I'm making a record.
Alright.
Alright.
You open mine first.
Okay.
Remember that you will be in our hearts.
Okay, that's from Ate.
That's from me and Kuya Ron. After hers, mine.
Okay.
We wish
After that, my neighbor.
a loving
After that, we drink.
Oi, look.
Oi!
Open up.
Oh my God, me, you have many more birthdays to come. Love, Ate Gloria and Kuya Rudy. Thank you so much, Kuya. Ate.
I got the fear. Oh my God. Dahil sa envelope niya naman, yung yan.
Eh, meron pa laman eh. Di ba?
Yan ka tayo pala sa... Okay, move back. Alisa mo pala yung...
Happy birthday, Marites. The woman who's all that and more birthday to come. God bless you, Ate Marita.
Aww.
Oh, wow! Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's for you.
Thank you so much. Haba pang buhay ko.
Yeah, buksan mo na yung gift niya si Troy.
Okay.
Kaya tinasang baby.
Oh,
Oh, Alisa! Don't get... Alisa kasi Alisa! Yan naman yan.
ah.
See that?
Maganda.
Yeah, I got that from the...
Thank you so much, Ate. Thank you so much. And this one?
Alright, took it. Alright,
What are you doing?
Not too many.
You already opened the card. Oh my God.
We will have faith in Him. He will be with you always. God bless you. Happy birthday. Their birthday is party like the rock star you are. Happy birthday, many more to come. God bless you, love. Kuya and Ate Edgar.
No, put it back.
Wait, put it back.
Pepper from Ate Malo.
Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. It's there. It's hers. That's her also.
This one too. Wow.
Whoa, it's so cute.
Wow.
Wow, I have a pang winter. And next. Okay.
Wow.
Happy birthday. Andy and Marita.
Your eyes, I love to see. Your kiss, I love to see.
Hope your birthday is as bright as so. Blessed and full of happiness all day long. Happy birthday, but wishing you a good health and more to come. From Andy and Marita. Okay. Okay, what open?
No. Just let her open her first.